Hey everybody, welcome to Math Made Easy by Planet Spark. My name is Nidhi and I am back with a new chapter here. But before that everybody, I have very important information for all of you. बहुत टाइम से you all are following all the videos that we have been doing there on YouTube. If you want to do that regularly through our courses, then we have the courses here. For up to grade 5, we have the mental math and the Vedic math course, which you senior graders can also take everybody because it will help you in calculations. Right? Calculation easy होंगी तो बहुत सारी problem हमारी automatically easy हो जाती है. Especially for grade 8 to 12 everybody, we have our crash course going on because we all know exams are around the corner, so you can go through that. कुछ highlights मैं बता देती हूँ for these courses. You will have personalized attention for each student, right? Bulk में classes नहीं है, so personalization you can expect there. Complete syllabus coverage will be there. Customizable learning plan is available. Let's say you want to do a certain chapters before and the other one later on. You can customize all of that on the platform. Then free performance classes are there which will help you enhance your performance, and previous year question paper support will also be there for you. Now all my 9th and 10th graders, for you specially, कोर्सेज में क्या स्पेशल है ट्रांजिशन टू सीनियर ग्रेड्स फॉर ग्रेड 9 स्टूडेंट्स. व्हाट ऑल वी शुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर. यस, कि 10th में जा रहे हैं, जब बोर्ड्स को फेस करेंगे तो उसके लिए अपना जो बैलेंस है, अपना कॉन्सेप्ट को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना, बेस बनाना, वो ग्रेड 9 में स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है. सो शार्प राइज इन द कॉम्प्लेक्स concept complexity will be there. Bridge की तरह एक्ट करेगा फॉर द मैथ दैट इज देयर इन योर स्कूल एंड दैट वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट इन द बोर्ड्स, क्योंकि डिफरेंट पब्लिकेशंस यू ऑल फॉलो देयर. सो वी हैव टू मूव इन अ सर्टेन वे सो दैट बोर्ड्स में वो एक कॉमन पॉइंट हमें मिल जाए. राइट, स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस दैट इज नीडेड फॉर ग्रेड 10, यू विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट. एंड सिलेबस डेप्थ ओवरवेलमिंग हो जाए उससे पहले यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड. नाउ फॉर द 10th ग्रेडर्स एवरीबॉडी, बोर्ड ईयर है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ऑलरेडी काफ़ी प्रेशर है, रिविजन चल रही है, एग्जाम्स आर अराउंड द कॉर्नर, एक तो क्रैश कोर्स चल रहा है. एंड फॉर ईयर लॉन्ग कोर्सेज, दोज हु विल बी मूविंग फ्रॉम ग्रेड 9 to 10 नाउ एवरीबॉडी, हाई प्रेशर जो बोर्ड्स का है दैट यू कैन जस्ट बी हेल्प विद one-on-one क्लासेज हियर. ओके, परफॉर्मेंस क्लासेस हैं, स्पेशल क्लासेस हैं, one-on-one क्लासेस है, कंप्लीट पर्सनलाइजेशन होगी. इफ लैक ऑफ फोकस इज देयर, जिससे गैप आ जाता है, दैट कैन ऑल्सो बी कवर्ड हियर. राइट, डिफरेंट लेसन्स आर देयर एंड प्रैक्टिस NCERT और RS अग्रवाल दोनों से होगी. एनी अदर पब्लिकेशन दैट इज देयर वी कैन डू दैट इन द क्लास ऑल्सो. राइट, one-on-one है तो अटेंशन होगी आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स पे, आपकी वीकनेसेस पे. ओके, लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, टाइम मैनेजमेंट की जो स्ट्रगल है, स्पेशली टू डू दी होल पेपर देयर इन द टाइम लिमिट, उससे जो कन्फ्यूजन क्रिएट होती है, एंड हाउ टू मैनेज द टाइम ड्यूरिंग द प्रिपरेशन, ड्यूरिंग द रिविजन एंड ड्यूरिंग द एग्जाम टाइम एज वेल. आपके सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर आपके टीचर देंगे इन द one-on-one क्लासेस एवरीबॉडी. सो आई विल से व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर, क्विकली जस्ट जॉइन नाउ. Also, you can just book a free trial class through the link given in the description. कोई पैसा नहीं है, free class है. After that, you can decide what to do with it. Okay, so let's get started, everybody. So today we'll be continuing with linear pair and vertically opposite angles there. Okay then. Now let's see. Two adjacent angles whose non-common arm form a straight line are known as linear pair of angles, everybody. Yes, what are the keywords here? एडजेसेंट होने चाहिए, बिकॉज यहाँ पे कंफ्यूजन क्या आती है कि सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स और लीनियर पेयर में क्या डिफरेंस है. दोनों का सम तो 180 है. सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स कैन बी टू डिफरेंट एंगल्स, बट लीनियर पेयर में एडजेसेंट होने चाहिए. ओके, सो लेट्स से वी हैव two angles like this. Okay, this is the common arm for these two angles. The non-common arms are forming a straight line. Then we have got a linear pair. Okay, sum क्या होगा दोनों angles का? 180 degree. Because दोनों मिलके क्या बना रहे हैं? एक straight angle, and we know the measure for that, 180 degree. Okay, then angle forming a linear pair are always supplementary. See, angle which are forming a linear pair are supplementary, but angles which are supplementary need not be forming a linear pair. Understand the difference, everybody. For example, we can take here angle AOC and BOC. Okay, AOC and BOC, both are adding up to 180 degree. Now when two lines intersect, opposite angles formed are called vertically opposite angles. So let's say दो लाइन्स है हमारे पास, इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी तो कितने पॉइंट्स पे करेंगी? ओनली वन पॉइंट इज देयर. यस, लेट्स से दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन। अब यहाँ पे कितने एंगल्स बन रहे हैं? वी कैन सी 1 2 3 एंड 4। वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल कितने हैं? 2 पेयर, फर्स्ट पेयर and the second pair. And we have this property everybody that vertically opposite angles are always equal. So we can say angle 1 equal to angle 3 and angle 2 equal to angle 4. इसका proof भी बहुत easy है, that is using the linear pair. That's why इससे पहले हम linear pair समझते हैं and then we come to vertically opposite angles there. कैसे linear pair से? See, this is a straight line. We can say इन दो एंगल के लिए this is the common arm, these are the non common arms जो कि straight line form कर रहे हैं. So we can say here angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, angle 2 and angle 1, they are also forming a linear pair. So angle 2 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. Right? दोनों 180 के equal हैं. The right hand sides of the equation are equal, so we can equate the left hand sides as well. So we have got here angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 1. Angle 2 common hai, we can just cancel it out. So what have we got here? Angle 3 is equal to angle 1. Similarly, we can prove angle 2 equal to angle 4. Right? ये दो linear pair ले लो, ये ले लो, common 1 है, चला जाएगा 2 equal to 4. Right? So using linear pair, we can easily prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. And we can use this property when angle is to be found. Okay. चलिए then. Now we know the property that vertically opposite angles are always equal. Formation क्या है यहाँ पे? Two pair of vertically opposite angles are formed at the point of intersection. Right? Then the representation of two lines we can see here. Let's say AB and CD. Let's say the point of intersection is O. So we can say ये दो vertically opposite angle equal होंगे and ये दो vertically opposite angles equal होंगे. Right everybody? चलिए जी. Now a transversal is a line that cuts or we can say intersects two or more distinct lines at different points. ठीक है. अब confusion क्या होती है? कई बार question होता है ऐसा कि two lines are cut by a transversal. तो हम लगा देते हैं parallel lines की property. नहीं. Transversal सिर्फ parallel lines के लिए define नहीं है. For any number of lines we have there, two lines or more lines that are there which are cut by a common line, that is a transversal. Right? यहाँ lines parallel नहीं है, cut by this line which is a transversal. Here the lines are parallel, they are also cut by this line which is again a transversal. So be very careful everybody, question में given है pair of line और pair of parallel line cut by a transversal. Transversal दोनों cases में होगी. Okay. So, in case of parallel lines क्या होगा? Yes everybody, we will have different pair of angles which will be equal. Okay, corresponding angles are on the same side of the transversal and at matching corners. Matching corners का क्या मतलब है? कि इस line के ऊपर है तो इस line के भी ऊपर है. Right? And on the right side of the transversal. So these two are corresponding. Same manner में दोनों line के corresponding हम define कर रहे हैं उसे. That's why corresponding angles. These two are corresponding. These two are corresponding. These two are corresponding. And these two are corresponding. What else is equal everybody? Alternate interior angles. Right? These are the pair of alternate interior angles here. Okay. One pair. Second pair. Okay, then alternate exterior angles are also equal. ये वाला और ये वाला. Right? So again here point of intersection is there for two lines. So चार angle form कर रहे हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. अब यहाँ से vertically opposite angles equal हम लिख सकते हैं. 1 equal to 3. 2 equal to 4. Right? Then alternate interior angles. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Angle 2 is equal to 3 equal to 5. Okay. Then alternate exterior angle 1 equal to 7, 2 equal to 8. And corresponding pair of angles, that is 1 equal to 5, 2 equal to 6, 3 equal to 7, 4 equal to 8. Right? If one angle is given, we can find all the other angles there. Okay, एक और property है, that is of the sum of the angles which are in interior of the parallel lines and on the same side of the transversal. That means angle 4 plus angle 5 का sum होगा 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 6 का sum होगा 180. Okay. चलिए then. Next one. Alternate interior angles are formed. Yes, we have just understood how are they formed there. And then co-interior angles. Yes, when we have angles here on the same side of the transversal and between the parallel lines, उनका sum क्या होता है 180. We have understood that. इनको बोलते क्या हैं? They are known as co-interior angles, right? So co-interior angles add up to 180 degree. Okay. Now same side of transversal they are there and इनका sum क्या होगा 180 degree. So ये तीन चीजें when we have the parallel lines we have to remember the corresponding angles, alternate interior angles and co-interior angles. Okay everybody, with that we are ready to solve the questions. So let's get started. In a straight line, angle x, y, z and angle w, y, z form a linear pair. Okay then. One of the angle is given to be 65. We have to find the other one. Linear pair का sum क्या है 180 degree. So the other angle will be 180 minus 65. Easy, right everybody? So the answer will be 150. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, angle 1 is 65. Find its vertically opposite angle. So we can imagine कि दो lines intersect हो रही होंगी. This is angle 1, let's say. ये है vertically opposite angle. Let's say angle 2. Angle 1 है 65 degree. So what will be the measure of angle 2? Yes, because they are vertically opposite angles. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. तो इसका measure भी क्या होगा? 65 degrees, and that is the right answer. Okay, next question. At the intersection of two lines, angle AOB is 2x plus 10 degrees and angle COD is 3x minus 20 degrees. Find x. अब देखो दो vertically opposite angles हमें given है. Okay, दोनों का measure in terms of x है and we have to find the value of x. So we know the property vertically opposite angles are equal, right? So we can say here 2x plus 10 equal to 3x minus 20, right? X की terms एक side, constant terms on the other side. So we have got here 3x minus 2x is equal to 10 plus 20. So 30 degree is equal to x and that is the right answer. अब यहाँ से इन angles की actual value चाहिए, so just substitute the value of x and we have our answer. Okay, next one. In the figure, angle 1 is 65 degree. Find the measure of the corresponding angle 5. Okay, we can imagine the figure to be like this. Corresponding angles की हम बात कर रहे हैं, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So angle 1 and angle 5. 1 का measure given है 65. दो line parallel है and L and M and T is the transversal. So corresponding pair of angles will be equal. So corresponding angle है तो measure होगा equal. So angle 5 will also be 65 degrees. Easy. Now from here can we find the other angles everybody? Yes, let's give it a try. Okay then. So let's say this angle is 65. यहाँ linear pair है, so we know the measure of this angle. Yes, 180 minus 65. 115 degrees. Okay. Then vertically opposite angle, so ये भी क्या होगा 115, ये क्या होगा 65 degrees. Then alternate interior angles, so angle 5 65, this angle 115. Then again vertically opposite angle, or we can say corresponding angle 65 or 115. So we have got all the 8 angles here. Now to find one angle, more than one way is there everybody. देखो ये angle अगर मुझे find out करना है तो I can get it as vertically opposite angle. इस angle से with a linear pair, from this angle as corresponding angle and from this angle as, yes, exterior alternate exterior angle, right? So more than one way is there. Whatever clicks you can just get it. एक और चीज नोटिस करो 115 115 115 115 चार angles का measure equal है and the other 4 have the equal measure. So जब हमारे पास case हो linear parallel lines का which are cut by a transversal pair of parallel lines, तो दो ही measure आएंगे उन 8 angles के. 4 of them are of one measure, 4 the other measure. Okay then, next one everybody. Find the value of x if two corresponding angles formed by transversal are 70 and 2x minus 10. अब corresponding given है, so we know the measure will be equal. So equate कर देंगे value. 70 degree is equal to 2x minus 10. So I can say 2x is equal to 70 plus 10, that is equal to 80 degrees. So x की value क्या होगी 40 degrees and that is the right answer. Next one. In a figure, we have angle 3, 70 degree and 5 assuming lines are parallel. Okay then. LM parallel pair of line है हमारे पास cut by a transversal T. Okay. Let's see these 8 angles we have here. Angle 3 given है 70 degrees. We have to find angle 5. ये क्या form कर रहे हैं? Alternate, yes, interior angle. So this will be 70. बाकी सबका measure भी find out कर लेते हैं, right? Here this is forming linear pair or we can say these two are co-interior angles. दोनों तरीके से we can find it out. So this will be what? 180 minus 70, that is 110. Alternate interior angles, this also be 110. Vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angle. Then corresponding angle, same here. So we have got all the 8 angles here, 70 degree and 110 degrees. Next one. Okay, that was all everybody. Let's quickly summarize what we learned here. Linear pair of angles क्या होते हैं? जब दो adjacent angle हों where the non-common arm is forming a straight line. Okay, then if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of the two adjacent angles form is 180 degree. Linear pair axiom है ये, so in these words also we can write the same thing. Okay, this is the representation everybody. So वहाँ पे क्या होगा हमारे पास when two lines are intersecting, vertically opposite angles equal. Proof कहाँ से आएगा? Linear pair से. Okay, then we have parallel lines that are cut by a transversal. वहाँ पे corresponding angles equal होंगे, alternate interior angles equal होंगे and sum of co-interior angle क्या होगा? 180 degrees. So try the questions from the book everybody, NCERT, and tell me in the comments if you have any issue there. So that was all for today. I hope you have noted down all the information about the courses also everybody. I'll tell you again, the trial class is free, so don't forget to get it and sign up for that in the comments right now.